Hey guys, welcome today to HotelNomaly demo. Um, yeah, I think it's one of those anomaly games. I have no idea, but I kind of want to check it out. It just kind of looked cool. Stay vigilant, inspect every corner for anything out of the ordinary. Sounds, objects, images, and lights. Every detail counts. Alright, let's check this out. Oh, that's why I was like freaking sound in one ear. Reach 10th floor. Okay. Okay. Um, yeah, this is just a demo, so let's see how it goes. Okay, some anomalies can be coming from textures, objects, entities, and even sound. There will be no anomalies on the first floor. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so we have a box, 3 trash. God, what the heck is that annoying sound, dude? Like that radio. Okay. There's a telephone, door, painting of a woman. Is that noise supposed to be going? Because that is really annoying. Oh, great. There's going to be a door open. Something close to here. That's so distracting. Do I have a flashlight? No. Okay, so dresser, paintings. I have a bad memory, so, like, this might help my memory. Like, doing these anomaly games. Oh, there's a bone there. Okay. Can't go in there. Okay, I think they're all locked. At least I hope they are. God, can I shut this thing off, dude? Jesus Christ, dude. Oh, it's a cat toy. Can I take this with me? I want to take him with me. Does he have a name? I'm going to name him Tack, which is cat backwards. There's a hospital bed, a cup, a baseball bat. God damn, this is going to be hard on my memory, guys. Like, I am so bad at this. Flower painting. And, okay, let's try this. I might just run instantly and go shut off that radio. Because it is a pain in the ass. Okay, 3 trash bins. Wait. 127. I'm worried that these numbers are going to change and I'm going to, like, screw it up. Okay, that's all good. Chick. Was she always looking to the left? I hope so. Okay, I need to turn that off, like, right now. Chop. Wait, how do I report anomalies? Okay, let's go in here. Oh, okay. I think that was an anomaly. How do I report anomalies, dude? Also, this pillow's on the floor. Wait, is there... Okay. I don't know, dude. Does it have to do with that radio? Do I have to, like, turn it on if there's an anomaly? Cat toy. Fire extinguisher. Okay, well, I know there's an anomaly. So wait, do I go back? Is it one of those games that if there is an anomaly, you go back? I think it might be. Let's do this. Let's see. Can I jump? No. Oh, okay. I heard noise and I thought it was the game being like, you know. Well, it turns out it's just my upstairs neighbor freaking doing some laundry or something. Okay, so it is. Okay, 3 bags, a box, 126, 127. Let's keep this up. Dude, it's so cold right now in my place. Okay, that looks right. She's looking to the left. I wasn't paying attention to these walls, but they look correct. I don't know if that bin was always there. What was that different sound? It sounds like there's like clicks and stuff in there. Okay, let's see in here. Yeah, that's an anomaly. Okay. Well, time to go back. Hell yeah, dude. I like the obvious anomalies like that. What? Why is it going up? 4? Hell yeah, dude. Oh, right. I can't close that. Okay, let's see. 127, 126, 3 trash cans, and a box. This girl is looking to the left. Was that plant always there? I don't remember that plant being there. I'm gonna screw this up, dude. There's... Wait, is that pillow always on the floor? God damn, I didn't notice it the first time around. Okay, I gotta turn this off, dude. That is the worst. Cat toy. So I think everything's fine on this floor. It looks fine anyway. Alright guys, fingers crossed, let's hope for the best. Come on, floor 5. I think that's what floor I was on. Can't even remember the floor I was on. Hell yeah, dude. Okay. So 3 garbage can, 126, 127. Was that you? Let's go see if there's any other anomalies. And turn off this damn radio. God damn, that's annoying, dude. Baseball bat. Dude, I need to put barbed wire around it and just be like Negan. You know? Just walk around with my baseball bat being like, ain't no one can touch me. You know? I don't know something Negan would say, but I'm going to assume that. Time for floor 6. Hell yeah. Thank you. Trash can, 3 boxes, 126, 127. Do I really have to pay attention to these? I do hear a sound. So there was always a plant there. I feel like this is where I'm gonna screw up. Okay, I gotta turn this off. Jesus Christ, dude. I guess that was it. That actually, like, scared me, dude. Like, I don't know if you could see my mouth flipping shit, but I was flipping shit. I just heard the foots, but I was so, like, I gotta turn off that radio, you know? Yeah, that was pretty fun. Shorter than I expected. But you know what? Let's take another round and see if I can get any new anomalies. Let's see if I can find anything interesting. First thing I'm gonna do, this is floor 1, so nothing's gonna be different. I'm gonna turn this shit off. Just gonna blaze through this. How dare you not protect me, kitty? I thought you were cool. What happened to you, kitty cat? Thought you were cool, man. Okay. Okay. I'm just going directly to turn that off every single time, and then I'll take a look around. Shut up. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything in here. This one again. Okay, well, we know that. We know that one already. I wonder how many anomalies you can actually come across here. We'll go one more round, like this playthrough, and see if we get any new anomalies. I'll look at that after. Because this might just all be repeats. Okay. Peace and quiet, dude. Oh, it's the same, dude. Let's see. Let's hope there's more. Okay. Going straight for the radio. Thank you. Okay, I will say to the devs as a criticism, turn that shit lower. That is just obnoxious. I think this is going to be a good one. Paintings are fine. You're still okay. Can I call someone? Okay. Let's go. My terrible Mario impression. Hoo, 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 hoo. It's a me, Mario. That's all I got. Okay. Book it. I used to do a really good impression of Pennywise, but I don't know if I can right now anymore. I'm not very good at anything, so I do like an okay impression of Pennywise. But I'm too embarrassed to try right now because I'm just like stupid notification on my phone. If I sound like shit, the world will make fun of me. Oh, that's a new one. Okay. That's what we're talking about. Okay. I think this is the last floor then. Because I think 6th floor is the last. Let's see. If lights go out, I'm going to try and just freaking book it, dude. Let's see. I'm even going to go backwards. If lights go out. Oh, what the hell? Hey, man. I can't even move. Okay, well, that was HotelNomaly. No, it was pretty good. It was fine. I hope there's more to it on the actual full release. I will say the radio for me is kind of a killer for me. Like, I found myself the first thing wanting to do is just turn off that loud, obnoxious sound, which is what many people say about my voice. But yeah, that's my only criticism. It was pretty fun. I feel like the anomaly should be a little more subtle because it was way too obvious. You need to put like little things that like people are like, did I miss something? What did I miss? Like subtle changes, like I don't know, a wall print, like the wall print to change ever so tiny, like have faces in it, or like the numbers to be different or backwards or something like that. These were normally I suck at these games, but the anomalies were so in your face that it was pretty easy for me, which yeah, I'm dumb as hell. But I did enjoy it. It made me feel smart, so I will give it that. But if you guys want to check this out, check out their Steam page, or maybe try out the demo yourself. Let me know what you guys thought, and I will catch you on the flip side. Oh, actually, shit, this was really, really short. Maybe I'll add a little game on on the side, so maybe you'll see a quick, tiny demo to something else after this. Let's see. Okay, guys, this is like a small, probably less than 10-minute demo of a game called Pyromaniac. Let's see what this is about. It's a small demo, so let's check it out. Okay, so I got a lighter in my pockets. Am I the Pyromaniac? Am I going to start a fire? I can jump. Can I do anything with stuff in my pockets? Is there an inventory? I don't know. Hasn't told me anything. Okay. An empty car space. So I can back my badonkadonk in. Beep, beep. Okay, that worked. One person is a late nighter. I totally understand that. Dude, you start heavy breathing the moment, like, step one. Listen to this. Like, who are you? Me? Am I going in here? Hello? Zod? Am I calling Zod? Holy shit. I think that was right, dude. Isn't Zod like the enemy of Superman? What the frick, dude? Do I have like... How do I access my inventory? Okay. Current objective. Fry. Okay, dude. Well, that's cool. I don't need to go that way. Oh my god, dude, I can't see shit. No? What the frick, dude? Not a fan of elevators. Locked apartment. Is this supposed to be a door? What the frick, dude? Back entrance, not necessarily right now. Back entrance is always necessary, my dude. In horror games, come on. What the hell, dude? What even is this? How the heck do I am trying. Well, what'd I do? Okay. Okay. What the? I have a gun? Okay. And a picket? An axe? What the hell? What the hell even is this, dude? Dude, that scared the shit out of me. Okay, now I can actually kind of see. Let's see. Don't need to go that way. Back entrance, not necessary right now. Okay, well, go upstairs, dude. Okay. I don't need to go back. Then where the hell are you going, dude? Is this broken? Okay. Okay. I needed to do that, dude? What the hell? I'm taking out my gun again. I don't know why I have a gun. But I assume it's for a reason. What the hell? Okay. This door's open. I'm ready for anything, dude. Okay, wait, let me... What?
What the hell happened here?
Dude, I don't even know. I don't even think you know what happened. I have a faint, strange feeling from this door. That's so loud, dude.
Something's wrong.
There's a lot wrong here, dude. Oh, shit.
Holy shit. What was that?
That was just Craig from accounting.
I should get out of here.
Can I go that way? It's quicker. Take out your gun, dude. I don't trust shit anymore. Wait, where am I going? This way. Shit, dude.
What the fuck?
What? The graffiti was there before. Oh. Dude, what's even going on? Bonbon. Are Aren't those delicious little candies? Okay. No, pull out your gun, dude.
Wait, where am I?
What is that? Like a freaking tea light candle? Oh, that's it? Okay. Um, okay, well, I guess what I'll say about that is there wasn't enough to go on. Right when it was getting interesting, it ended. This was really, really short, which I guess is okay, but I feel like it was too short of a demo. It was fun in a way because it made me like curious as what's going to happen next. The gun was the biggest jump scare. I was like shooting. I'm like, damn, that was loud. But yeah, it was interesting. I want to see more of this. It looks like something that might be fun to play. So I might keep an eye on this actually. So yeah. Okay, guys. Well, I think I'm gonna call it that. That was at least two games. The first one was the Hotel Anomaly, and this one was Pyromaniac, which had no fire in it now that I'm thinking about it. But that was fun nonetheless. Tell me what you guys thought. And yeah, I guess that's it. I will catch you on the flip side.